Shubor nakaslem jong Nongshna Hima.
Katnat Commerce and Industries jong kasorkar Meghalaya ha kasngi thodiang kana pinkop burom ye kisan ngut ki Nongshna Jingshna ka jilla da ka khusnam State Handicraft Artisans of the Year Award na kabinta usnam 8,000 arpusan ha ka jingelang kabalalong ha Conference Hall jong ka Directorate of Commerce and Industries hanong ba Shillong. Yakini ki khusnam masam da Director Katnat Commerce and Industries uba F Sutnga haringkat ka jinge don lang u Joint Director u ML Wanshnong bad ki ki he officer jong Katnat kibalayo yakani ka khusnam ka bakanthop ka song pisa ka basan phau hajar tingka lembat ka trophy bat ka sirnot kilong uba Pras Singli na Kadu Haribhoi District u Clifford Pade na Chiliang Raj na West Jenti Hills, Mamsikha N Sangma na Balsri Ading Chitoktak na West Garo Hills District, u Ensila di Shira na Rongreng Chidegre Haribhoi District, but u Ensila di Shira na Rongreng Chidegre ha William Nagar ha Ilaka Ribhoi. Ya kani ki khusnam la ai kum ka jing itho ya ka jing no sanyang jong ki Nongshna Jingshna ban penne pensa bat kentiu ya ka kamshna Jingshna da ka kti ka balong tanrai jong ka jilla habakren ha kani ka jing lang uba sutnga ulayaro ya ki nongtre nak benta ka jing ai tilut bat ka jing tbit bakarpang ka jongki da ka bakdo baki khusnam ki penpau ya ka jing tre shitom jongki ha ka ba banyada ya ki kamshna Jingshna bat ki riti dustur jong ka jilla Meghalaya ki ba pensa lingba ki pateng ki officer na ka Meghalaya Handloom and Handicrafts Development Corporation Limited ka Meghalaya Industrial Development Limited u Development Commissioner ka Handicrafts ka Sarkar India ka National Institute of Fashion ANIFT Technology bat ki wei ru kilai don lang ha ka te kasngi.
MDMHDC, here with you on this morning on this chess occasion to distribute the state award to the selected awardees. Indeed, this is the sixth, I think, not the second. This is the sixth time they have selected. And altogether there will be 30 numbers of state awardees was selected right from the very beginning in our state of Meghalaya. So we are really very proud of you. After a thorough examination of all your crafts of all, which is from a long exercise, at the end the committee has found that they have been selected. Number one is from Simply, from Riboy, Kilford from Dubai, Mamsikha from West Girls, Sila Tisira from East Girls, and one step also from River. I mean, two state awardees from River District selected. So, we have seen in the past years, those state awardees, most of them, we have there are a lot of roles that they have contribute to what the what the estimate, what the overall handicraft artisans of the state. Some of them they have been used and they as designers by the office of the Development Commissioner Handicraft, with the Ministry of Textile, Government of India, and same for you also. The central government they will use you for whatever they require as designers. That is not normal thing for them. And beside that also I would like to request all the DCIC, please help this artisan also. So all of them, they should also participate for the national level for the handicraft artisan. Please help all this paperwork and all. Since being the state body, they have only get some points. There are number of points, different criteria to be eligible for the first round of national award. So very happy that you already get some points, when we are being contacted as a state body. And also, I would like to inform you also that your role will not be limited here. You will also be given training to the co-artisans in your respective villages. Kindly share your valuable skill, because being a state body is not so simple. Whatever professional lesson you have got, you kindly share to your co-artisans. And in the meantime also, very soon we are going to open also the Innovation and Research Center here only in our campus, which is related with the handicraft and the handloom sector. So most of you, especially the state bodies, utilize the facilities which is available here. It is in terms of technology, how to enrich more in your different crafts, and how you can proceed further even up to the national level, and maybe in your to the utmost scope toward marketing your products. And also in the meantime, we will also be very happy to internal you as the designers on that Innovation and Research Center, and all this coming with it will be our scheme only, and we will be paid for that also. So only these two words, I congratulate all of you. Thank you.
Last thing, my colleagues, official from the DC Handicraft, the managing director of BNC, and the faculty member of me. In fact, this event has an auspicious. Every year we have this event. Last year also, I was able to associate with this program, and today also it is a privilege for me to associate with this program. Today we are not just distributing prizes and awards, but we are celebrating the living heritage of our state. Every handicraft item, be it a woven basket, a piece of wood carved, related to that is the soul of Meghalayas, indigenous culture and craftsmanship passed down by our forefathers. Handicraft, as you know, is the heartbeat of our rural and parts of urban economies. For our tribal people communities, it is more than a craft, it is a livelihood. I congratulate all the 5 awardees, and also the one from Garlands who is not able to attend today's function because of the government events. Your hands do not just create products, they preserve the stories of our ancestors. It is my belief that every craft item that was created by the artisans has got a story behind it. We have the state award scheme for handicraft artisans, and this scheme was designed with a clear purpose to recognize excellence and improve innovation. These awards, as usual, carry a cash prize of 58,000, a trophy and a certificate These are all testaments to your hard work and dedication. Besides this cash prize, it is also the endeavor of the department to follow up with the higher authorities so that we'll be able to give you the seed money for construction of workshed. To the winners of the today's event, wages for the year 2024-25, I want to give you a very big congratulations because of your hard work and dedication. You have set a benchmark and quality for creativity. Let us not end this program with the distribution of prizes and awards, but we would like all the awardees to pass on their skills to the generations, which is the very objective of the skill which the government has approved. Once again, I congratulate all the winners, all the awardees after this event. Thank you. Bless you.